time should you give Martinez?
3 weeks, whatever she wants.
Okay, pause for a second. What we're hearing right now is a classic jurisdiction tangle. The defense is saying, hey, even if there's an immigration detainer, the court can't just hold him indefinitely. Basically, they're arguing for due process meets the 48-hour rule. But here's the twist. Who actually has the power here? The state court or ICE? Keep that question in mind.
Does it matter, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, Judge, our argument in the writ is that even if there's a detainer, he shouldn't be held in custody over 48 hours. We cite some case law.
He's on bond.
Bond. Mhm.
So I don't know what I can do to release him. And so when I was going to call the court manager's office, figure out why is he still being held, because he's on bond.
Wait, did you catch that? The judge just hinted that someone specifically requested the bench warrant, meaning this wasn't an automatic action. That's a big deal. It suggests someone, possibly his previous attorney, pulled the trigger to keep him here. But why? To protect him from deportation or to control the case timeline? What do you think?
Why has immigration why have they not picked them up? And because I'm confused, I'm as much as confused as you.
Who's you're talking about?
What's the name again?
Martinez? Who?
Martinez.
Because a bench warrant was requested. So Billy called him out this month because she was tuning in. And she says that he's here because we bench warrant him here. And that if y'all want him to go back, then we have to do a bench warrant return.
But my question is, and because that's
We
why
bench warrant people here because people ask him to be bench warranted. We don't do it on our own, right? So someone has to ask us. So someone must have asked for the bench warrant.
I believe it's prior attorney, because we're doing this pro bono because we were helping him with the immigration case,
Okay.
filed the bench warrant. But as
So
far
we
as
can do a return.
yes, Judge, but as far as I know, like the court stated, he paid the bond, so there's no reason for him to be detained. I have no problem if he's returned. That's fine too. But it really is something that it seems to me that lately it's happening more than it should, and that's why we filed that writ.
Lawyers ask us to do with when these things happen. So if someone wants a bond revoked so that they don't go to immigration, we do it. If someone wants to have a bond so they can go to immigration, we do it. I always do what defense lawyers ask with regard to this. So,
And I'm unaware of that,
so
Judge.
someone asked them to be brought.
All right, so to untangle the legal spaghetti, the judge is basically saying, if immigration hasn't picked him up, it's not the court's fault. The state court only controls the criminal side, while ICE controls the immigration hold. But here's where it gets messy. If both systems think the other is responsible, the defendant ends up stuck in legal limbo. Total bureaucracy nightmare.
Here, my feeling is so that they could take care of the case before he gets deported. That's what we normally do. So
I believe that was done before we were helping him with his immigration case.
So what we'll do now is we can send him back when he gets back to immigration.
Oh,
That way, guys, you can make the
He already
bond.
has a bond, yeah.
Yeah, and I won't revoke it here. The only thing I'm going to ask you to do is that when you do make the bond over there, bring him here so we can do conditions.
Yes, sir.
And then we'll just keep it open until you guys are ready. So just let her know to do the return, and then I don't know how long it'll take to get it back, but
That's why we filed the writ, Judge.
Hey Vic, when we do the return to go back there, how long does it take to get him back?
I mean, they're here pretty often, so I mean, I'm sure, we'll be back.
Yeah, and he should be detained for more than 48 hours, because usually, if not, that's why they're released.
But unless there's other circumstances, and when there's an immigration detainer, it's not us that's technically holding him, it's the immigration.
That's why we are in the motion, Judge. It's just, if the court could take a look whenever it has a chance, it would be
Sure.
good.
Yeah, but we'll do the return now so that we can just get him back.
Whatever is fast, that's fine, because
This is the fastest way,
they will.
Do you want me,
right?
Yes, to send them back, yes.
we can do that. Do you want me to put that application for writ of habeas corpus in queue, the one that he's talking about?
But I don't know, like if I grant it, I mean, it's just.
Can I ask just a favor,
Get him
Judge? If the court just I mean, I think whatever is faster, I'm fine with that because we already got a bond for him there, but if
I
the court
think
could
what
take,
she's saying is probably the fastest.
but if the court could also, whenever have a chance,
Take a
take a
look
look
at
at my
it.
motion, okay?
Okay.
And maybe it's
Just let
just,
her know and then we'll get it done for you now today.
thank you, sir, thank you.